Audrey is one of my most favorite shades to brighten underneath your eyes. I know that seems kind of weird because it's like this pink light color, but let me tell you why it's so good. The light pink is gonna cancel out the cool tones that you see in here. Let me show you. Do you see that? How it adds so much brightness? You just need the tiniest bit right on the inside corner, and I like to put a tiny bit on the outside corner as well. I'm using the blend brush, which is also part of the sale. Perfect for under eye coverage, perfect for lighter coverage. You want something light and fluffy like the blend brush to work in these delicate areas. It's gonna give you the airbrush finish and will keep you from accidentally putting too much makeup on. I also love to put Audrey down the center of my nose. I put a little bit on the small end of my blend brush, pinch it, and go up and down my nose. It's gonna brighten really well in the center of your forehead, as well as the top of your lip. You can even put some right in the center of your chin. This is a shade I wish would stay around all the time. Whenever it comes back and people don't grab it, I always feel so bad. It works so good at adding brightness to your face. I think that you can see how bright it has made my face without looking fake. So make sure you grab both of these on the sale June 10th through June 15th.